Hi guys, I am Vivek Puch. I have purchased this Netgear Wi-Fi range extender on Amazon Pay during the Great Indian Sale in the January 2019. And fortunately, I have purchased this range extender for merely 1599. I'm going to unbox this today, and as we can see, I received the sealed box, a sealed router extender, and this is the seal, as we can see. I'm going to cut open it through this knife. This is what we have done right now. Also going to open it just now. And this is what we are getting. Interesting packaging. This is what we are getting, a quick start. That is a guide how to set it up, and a package in which this extender is very well packed. Quite a safe packaging, I would say. I also received very fast delivery from Amazon. Here it is. This is what we get: a Netgear extender, and in this package we are receiving this one with Indian plug. This is his front look, this is the bottom one, and this is the top one. So this is what we have got for this extender of Netgear. This is the unit we have got with the box. I'm going to open this one as well. WPS button, a power button, and a reset button is there. Quite mobile, I would say. This is what I have while unboxing this Netgear AC1200 extender. Thank you for watching this video.